Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to assemble the new Flex workbench. Adam's done a great job making this all happen, and this is how you do it. The first thing you're going to do is assemble the router table portion. And these are T-nuts that are going to go on from the bottom side of the workbench. You pound 2 of them in, and they actually help with the alignment of the fence system, which is included. The next step is you're going to put the magnets in the actual base because the whole thing snaps together. It's just wonderful how it works. And then you're going to put 2 washers on the retaining ring on the bottom, which allow the magnets to suck into that really nicely. Then you're going to glue this retaining ring on the bottom side of the top, and we've CNC'd in 1/8" holes. You're going to use a 1/16" drill bit to align those, put some glue on, 1/4" crown stapler, staple it on, and you're done. Wipe off the excess glue. Everything has been mistake proofed here. We just made everything really easy. Take your 4 sides, apply the glue to the end of them simultaneously, take them apart. All the CNC joints, all the dados and rabbets are self-aligning. You can't put it together wrong. It's very cool. Then wipe off the glue after you've stapled together with a 1/4" crown. Now you're going to put on the bottom. Okay, notice those CNC slots in there. They align with the sawhorses. So I want you to think about the orientation. Here Adam's holding it. Look how they align with the saddles and the notches on the sawhorses. Make sure those cams are perpendicular to those slots. You can slow this video up and kind of observe that. This is what the whole system looks like when it's together. You can see the router table, the fence there. You'll see the cam action. Everything's very intuitive. We tried to make this super simple. Then go ahead and staple the bottom on, apply glue so you can now put on the top. Wipe off your excess glue after you've done that. Take your 1/4" crown stapler, staple everything up, and you're good to go. Pop your router base in, and you've got a complete system. Do a little sanding, do a little routing, and you've got a beautiful new Flex workbench.